Traditions and language. Here are some fascinating festivals that are fun to take part in at least once in your lifetime. La Tomatina takes place on the last Wednesday every August in the town of Buñol in Spain. Thousands of people from around the world join in the world's biggest food fight. More than 100 tons of tomatoes are thrown in the street. If you like amazing costumes, then the Omaha Pow Wow celebration is for you. This Native American festival takes place every autumn in Omaha, USA. Different tribes gather to sing and dance, socialize and enjoy local food. Another exciting celebration is Chinese New Year. It lasts 10 days and is the biggest holiday in the Chinese calendar. There are dragons, fireworks, symbolic clothing, flowers and decorations, and delicious food. The Roswell UFO Festival is held every year to remember the day when aliens visited Roswell in New Mexico. Some believe that in July 1947, an alien spacecraft crashed in the desert. But whether you believe in aliens or not, you can have fun dressing up as one. If you go to Australia, be sure to see the Sand Sculpting Festival. It's an extraordinary sight to see the talented sand sculptors create beautiful works in the sand. Nurus is a big festival in Kazakhstan that celebrates the arrival of spring. People attend theatrical performances and special displays of horse riding. It's a great opportunity to experience real Kazakh food too. Which festival do you want to visit first?